My name is Patrick, and this video should tell you about a seminar we are having regarding Mastering CAT 24. This will be held at Mumbai, Wellinga College, Matunga, conducted by Arun Sharma, author of best-selling books of CAT, and Patrick D'Souza. So, poster, let me give you details. The idea is to learn from the experts. I mean, Arun Sharma is basically been teaching there for more than 20 years, 25 years, best-selling books, CAT, aced CAT so many years. I mean, he's been given CAT for so many years and aced it so many number of times, even scoring a 99.99 and doing extremely well. Patrick D'Souza, myself, scored 100% 6 times and been teaching students for more than 20 years. So, combined experience we could share, we could tell you what works, what does not work in CAT, how to prepare properly. Because a lot of students end up preparing incorrectly. So, the idea is to learn from the masters in terms of how to actually crack it. So what does a seminar consist of? So first we have to understand what does a CAT actually test you on. I mean, we prepare for CAT blindly with the school methods, etc. But we don't understand what actually CAT tests you on. CAT tests you on being a right good manager. In a sense, it tests on how you can handle stress. Right? It tests on your logical thinking ability. It tests whether you can read and comprehend well. So basic managerial capability is what it tests you on. Right? So based on this, you need to focus on some particular areas in order to ace CAT. So what are those areas? How to prepare on that is what we'll be discussing. We'll also give you preparation strategy. There's something called hard work and smart work. Some people feel that if I work really hard, I can crack CAT. Hard work helps definitely. But if you really want to crack CAT and ace CAT, you need to be able to do smart work. There's a right approach and a wrong approach, and we'll be focusing on the right approach. Okay, also there's a difference between scoring well and mastering CAT. Again, we'll focus on how to master CAT. That is what we'll talk about. We'll also tell you daily schedule, strategy for retakers. I mean, if you already read CAT earlier, so how to prepare again. I mean, what you need to do in order to crack the exam again. So seminar, as I said, on 16 January, Wellinga College, Matunga at 7 p.m. For registration, you can WhatsApp to 9821314788. Or you can fill the Google form. The link is in the description box. Right? We'll see you then. Thank you.